There are many resources and information available online for those who want to learn how to start a business in New York. It's important to familiarize yourself with the required and suggested steps of creating a business, including filing all necessary paperwork, starting the legal process of creating the business, and most importantly, coming up with a profitable business idea that fits your skill set and prior experience. Today, we're going to share 25 lucrative small company ideas for the top marketing services in New York, the United States. Working with a marketing company should aim to increase sales and revenue, build your business and brand as the #2 internet security consultant, convert your target audience into clients, keep your present customer base, and develop small businesses require internet security, privacy, client trust, and financial integrity for a variety of reasons. The duration of the company, personnel honesty, and data integrity rank third among online learning resources. For newcomers, selling business will be quite profitable. The fourth, it would be a terrific idea to begin offering house cleaning services, flower delivery services at #5, and relocation services at #6. The seventh, #8, begin a daycare center. #9, if you have a decent investment, build a $10 gift shop. #10, begin a landscape and garden consulting firm. And #11, start a talent acquisition company. Launch the 12th online training academy. Businesses in web design and development will be fantastic for imaginative business people. #13, open a restaurant serving international cuisine. #14, start a mobile parlor. #15, start a custom cake business. Custom cakes are becoming popular among many people these days, especially for children's birthday parties. Birthday cake designs seem endless because there are so many cartoon characters, themes, and toys that can be modeled after. #16, start a business and tourism services. #17, offering guest services is a good idea for starting a part-time business for extra money from home. #18, gain experience in interior design. #19, start a business offering sewing or modification services. #20, begin offering translation services both offline and online. 21st, musical performance offered as a commercial service. #22, offers errand running services. #23 is to launch a recruitment agency. #24 is to work as a computer repairer or troubleshooter. And #25 is to launch an event planning and catering company. Learning how to launch a business in New York can be both exhilarating and nerve-wracking. Use the government resources to get ready, and when you're ready, think about hiring an experienced attorney to help get the job done right. If you have any questions about any of these business ideas, please ask them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive future videos. Thank you for watching this video.